Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming access. Log into Tradovate and verify your account details, then enable any required market data permissions. Once done, fund or request the appropriate exchange level. Market data won't stream without it. Install and update the Tradovate desktop or browser app so you have the latest connectivity fixes. Make sure your API key or credentials are recorded if you plan to use the API. You need them for authenticated subscriptions, and they speed up the next steps. Next, you subscribe and configure feeds inside the platform. Go to Market Data Subscriptions, pick the exchanges you need, CME, NYSE, NASDAQ, and choose between real-time and delayed feeds. Once subscribed, add the exact symbols or import a watch list. This limits traffic and keeps charts lean. If you use the API, connect via the WebSocket endpoint, enter your API key and select the data level. Then confirm port and session settings so the feed stays authenticated and stable. Finally, verify live ticks appear on your chart. Check timestamps and watch for latency spikes. If data looks noisy, optimize by changing aggregation, tick size, or enabling throttling to lower CPU and bandwidth use. Make sure your session stays authenticated. Renew tokens when required. If you lose data, re-authenticate, confirm your subscription status in account settings, and restart the app or reconnect the WebSocket. One common fix is reloading the watch list, which forces a fresh snapshot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.